We are finally monetized.
I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life.
Hey loves, welcome to my YouTube channel. Igama lam Thulisile Kolweni. If you're new here, welcome and welcome. Please do not leave without subscribing, commenting, liking and sharing this video with your friends and your family. I would really appreciate that a lot. And in today's video, we are gonna address the elephant in the room. I'm so happy. I am so happy. Oh my goodness, you guys have no idea, no clue whatsoever, but I am excited for this video. First long form video since we've hit 1K. Yay! We are finally monetized, so this is what this video is gonna be about. It's gonna be the monetization steps in how I got here, and I saw that a lot of South African small YouTubers are there, but like big YouTubers are not there. So as a small YouTuber, I'm bringing this content to my other small content creators and someone who wants to start a YouTube video in 2023. That is why I am bringing this to you, like telling you all the steps while I'm getting ready. As you can see, I've done my brows already. So without wasting too much of your time, let's get into this video. I start off with putting a primer on my face. I've already prepped my skincare, so this is the final step in my skincare. I'm using the Revlon Prime Plus primer. So like I said, I didn't see a lot of big YouTubers in South Africa that are like talking or tackling this topic, and also I do understand why, because once you talk about videos that are more tech or detailed like this, like YouTube videos, basically like talking about the YouTube platform, YouTube actually box you or in a category, because there are different categories in the YouTube space. There's like a beauty and the entertainment and education videos. There's like car and tech videos, and yeah, a lot of categories. And if you talk on a specific topic, that's what YouTube is gonna do. YouTube is gonna box you into that category. I'm probably gonna do like 2 videos of this nature, but I'm gonna incorporate my niche in it. Like the makeup is something that I do, and I just didn't want to put it in a vlog, you know. That's what's up. We are finally monetized. Oh, monetized. I'm gonna also use my phone to like track down some steps. Really reach 1K subbies on the 24th of this month, which is September. So today is the 30th of September. So I've been monetized for like what, 6 days, let's say 5 days, you know, because it was later in the day and I got 1,000 subscribers. 24th, that's when I got monetized. I want to give you guys steps on how to get monetized as a small content creator. I didn't show you guys what I'm using. I'm using this color corrector from Black App. That's the color corrector. That's what it is, color corrector from Black App. I know Black App is no longer in South Africa. I don't know if it's still in other African countries like your Kenya. I know there was a store in Kenya. Before we get into the makeup and the steps, I have special shout outs or thank you or credits that I want to give to certain individuals. So I want to say thank you to Princess Ovayo Daweti. I know she says I say her name weird. But I want to say thank you to Princess Daweti for because I know that her brother was my thousandth drop, because she saw that I was on 99. She's like, girl, we need it today. I asked my brother to like subscribe. So thank you so much, Princess Daweti, and to your brother. I really appreciate it so much. Thank you so much, guys, for being part of this journey. And I want to say thank you to Amat. My husband is like, me too. Oh gosh. I'm not gonna mention everyone, okay? I'm not gonna mention everyone. I'm gonna just a few people. Also to my friend Ulolo from Cape Town. Thank you so much, my friend. Thank you to Uamahle Maseti as well. Thank you so much, baby girl. I appreciate you so much. And like to everyone, honestly, to everyone that has subscribed, watched the videos, liked, comment. I see you guys. I see all of you. Thank you so much for tuning into my YouTube channel. I really appreciate it. It doesn't really go unnoticed. But yeah, thank you. I just wanted to put that out there that I am really, really grateful. And coming from a small town that I come from, a small village that I come from, I will put a get to know me here. I think we also need a get to know me 2.0. You know, since we are here, I wanna thank you guys so much for all of that. And sorry if I look down, it's because I am prepping my makeup now that I'm gonna put on my face. So I reach like I said 1k subscribers. So I'll put a screenshot of what you need to other YouTube thresholds that you have to meet in order to be in the YouTube partnership program. It's called the YPP. That's what it's called, the YouTube partnership program. So you have to like reach 1,000 subscribers, and you have to reach 4,000 public watched hours in 12 months. So it has to be in 12 months for you to be in the YouTube partner program. So that's what I did. I started my YouTube channel in 2019. I think my first video was on the 9th. Or my first video were actually on the 9th of November. So almost 4 years ago I started my channel. And yeah, ever since then I've been like pushing. Obviously I was not always consistent. I think that's why it took me so long. And also I feel like when you are like a small YouTuber starting from like literally scratch, you don't have a lot of following on other platforms, and you just like starting out, it's very hard because other people, they do this within like a month or a week even, because they already have a following on other platforms. So it's kind of difficult if you're starting from scratch and you're starting with almost nothing, because that's when I started. When I started, I was staying in Alex. I just moved to Joburg, and I had been putting, because I was actually supposed to start my channel in 2016. That's when I started to like pay attention to YouTube and, you know, watching South African YouTubers. I didn't watch South African YouTubers, let me be honest. At first I watched overseas YouTubers. Like I remember I watched Nick Tots with her then husband. That's the first like YouTubers I remember watching. And Naka and Dom. Like I watched international, and then I was like, okay, there are also South African YouTubers that do this. And then I was watching them. This feels so red because I mixed 2 foundation. And then I started watching Omehlali. K-Yams became my favorite. Tandika, Martina. Well, yeah, and then I started watching a lot of like South African YouTubers, like a lot of them every now and then, so that you guys see what I'm talking about. Then on the same day, the minute you hit that 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch time, you can also like do shorts. That's another thing I didn't mention. 2 options, you can literally do it. One, you reach the 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 public watch hours, or you reach 1,000 subscribers and you will reach 10,000 views on short videos. A minute, right? Yeah, 60 seconds. They're like a minute. And then you can also reach that. So now I reached the 1,000 and 4,000 public watch hours, and that's how I was accepted into the YouTube partner program. Okay, after that, a thing that showed up, it says apply, meaning apply for the YouTube partner program. I clicked on it, and that was step number 1. There are 3 steps. I then click on that. Once I click on that, it asks me to accept the terms and conditions of the YouTube partner program. And then there was let me just be on my phone. My phone can't recognize my phone because my face, because I have makeup on. I just want to go back to, I have so many screenshots. Okay, so you see, this was the minute I reached 1,000. You see that part that says apply. I click on apply, and then after clicking on apply, because I had reached these steps, these are the steps that you have to like reach in order for you to be accepted into the YouTube partner program. And then I click apply, and then I created my AdSense account. That's the one. I created my AdSense account, and yeah, and then because I had viewed the base terms, and so these are the steps I was talking about. So the step 1, where you view base terms, and then you sign up for Google AdSense. After that is them reviewing your channel that it did not violate like any YouTube or AdSense guidelines. So once I was done with that, it says in progress, as you saw on the phone when I showed you. It says on progress. I think literally the next day, if not the same day, maybe the next day, I think on the 25th, I came back, and then I was in the process of being reviewed. So I waited for the review, and after the review I received after that, yeah, this is when I was applying for, now waiting for them to review my channel. After reviewing my YouTube channel, I want to show you my AdSense account was then created. After that, I think like the next day or so, I received this email. And this was when every step has been completed. I received this email that congratulations, you did it, Thulisile Kolweni. And yeah, now I think that, yo, my brother calling me. Buti? Ndiyaphila ngosenjani? Oh. Hayi bhuti, andiphangeli ngee-weekends, ndayeka, ndaba ngumlungu mna kuqala. Oh, so ukhwela? Yho, awuzawufika early. Okay. Andiva bhuti? Ayikho ngomso kanti society? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. All right. Alright. Sorry about that. That was my brother calling me. Okay, and then I was then congratulated, and obviously I had to apply for ways in which I can like and start earning now or monetize my channel. So there are watch page ads, and then there's in short feed ads. There is a membership if you want to have like exclusive content, and that content is only for members, then you can also do that. There is super thanks or supers, where people like send money directly, well, almost direct but not really direct, but they send money into your AdSense account. Like I know that you can do like let me go to someone that I know that has oh, I can actually go to myself. For example, this is the video, that's one of my videos. So if you want to like thank you, give a thanks to me, you click on that thank you button. You see that is the thank you button. Once you click on that thank you button, you can give me different amounts if you want. Until that amount, I think that's the maximum amount you can do it. But yeah, I reached the steps. I applied for all of those. There's a lot. Also, there's still a lot that you need to do, because you also have to pay taxes. Obviously YouTube takes their own cut. Once you reach that partner program, the whole amount doesn't come to you. I think YouTube takes about 60%, and then you take 40% from the ads that play in your channel. I think that's the amount. And after that, after I then applied for all this program, I then because my AdSense is now created, it's best if you do not have you've never created an AdSense account, like a small YouTuber. Otherwise, if you have, it's best to link and not create another one, another AdSense account. Just use the one that you already have. That way you will be saving yourself apparently time. People that have been monetized before me and they had other AdSense account, they complain that it takes so long. So yeah, otherwise that is more like the most important part. And obviously there are other forms. I think you have to watch ads on your channel. That's how YouTube pays you. And I think that's where most people actually make money. It's the ads that play into their YouTube channel. That's where they make the most money. And yeah, I am so happy. I'm so excited. I knew this day will come, but when it came, I was like, what? That's how I was. And then yeah, man, we are here now. So now you put your details in there, and you must make sure that your address is correct, because that's how they're gonna verify your address. I don't know what's wrong with this brush. That's how they're gonna verify that you are a person, and that there are no scams, no fraud, you get me? So they're gonna send a letter. I believe there's a letter that I am gonna get, but that letter I will only get once I reach another YouTube threshold. So the threshold that I need to now get into is receiving 1,000 rand in terms of now revenue. For example, since I have been monetized. So if I go to my YouTube studio now, and there's now an icon that says revenue. That's where I would see how much money I'm getting this month. YouTube studio, and I go to my analytics. This is how it looks like. So you see there on top there, it says research overview, content, audience. I now have this part where it says revenue, and that is the revenue I have accumulated so far. But I'm not gonna get technical for now until we are at that stage. So that's the next stage I will get into when I receive when I have received the letter that YouTube is gonna Google AdSense is gonna send me. That's the thing I will show you guys then. But for now, that's where we are. Reach 1,000 rand, which is what 1,000 rand is how much in dollars? It's, I don't know. Let's go to Google, because Google is your best friend. Rand in US dollars. Okay, so if I want 1,000 rand, if I want to reach 1,000 rand, 1,000 rand, it has to be 52.85 US dollars. So I need to get that. You guys saw it says 0.38 US dollars. Yes, I need to get to 50, let's say 53 $53 in order for me to like now get the money, be able to like withdraw the money, or for AdSense to be able to send me the money. That's the amount I need to meet. Loves, I have finished my face off camera. So yeah, that's how I got here. That's how we got here, actually. That's how we got here, my loves. We did this. We literally did this. So thank you so much. Please continue as you were, okay? And also please do not skip the ads. Let's let the ads play. Just go grab a drink, go do something, you know, while you wait for that 3-minute ad to like play off. And yeah, this is exciting. I think this is, for me, it feels like the beginning. I am just as excited as when I started this channel, and I can't wait to bring you guys great content. And yeah, thank you, my loves. I cannot thank you guys enough. I am so grateful for my family, my friends. I am grateful to God, and I'm grateful to the underground team, okay? But yeah, thank you so much. And exciting news for my people, that is you guys. I have a giveaway, so let me announce the giveaway for you guys. So I asked people on Facebook. I have a Facebook page. Please follow me there as well, and also please follow me on Instagram. So for the giveaway, I just want to show you the post that I posted on Facebook, because as much as this is a YouTube giveaway, I wanted to like hear what other people that also do support me greatly on this platform, what they thought would be the best giveaway. So this is the post I posted a while back. So I asked what would people like as my first giveaway for reaching 1K on my YouTube, and I said 1 cash, and then I said 1 is 1K cash, and the second option was 1k worth of hair products, which can be Dark and Lovely or Cantu, because those are the brands that I've been mostly using on my platform, like on YouTube. And the last one was 1k worth of Love King's satin products, and the people voted for the first option, which is 1k. So I will be giving away 1k cash content, okay? Imali, I'm a tankura, okay? So I'll be giving away 1,000 rands in cash, and this is only, unfortunately for now, for South African residents only. And so I'll be announcing the winner in my next video. So if you would like to enter this giveaway, please follow me on my Facebook page, which is Thulisile Kolweni. I want to show you. So in order for you to qualify or win this giveaway, you have to be subscribed to this channel, like this video, this one right here, and leave a comment down below, okay? And then that's subscribing, liking this video, leave a comment. That's 3 things. You have to follow me on Instagram, you have to follow me on my Facebook page, which is here. That's my Facebook page, and this is my Instagram. That's my Instagram. You have to follow me on the gram too. And yeah, I think that's what I want it to be about. I just didn't want to announce it in another platform because it's not a giveaway for other platforms. I probably will do more of the giveaways, but this one, it was a very first one and a special one, close to my heart. So yeah, comment in this video, like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will check, okay? And the giveaway will be selected randomly. Do that, and you will win a 1,000 rand for my 1k celebration. I'm excited for that, but I am so excited for what's to come next in this YouTube channel. So thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, to like, to comment down below, and share this video with your friends and your family, and I will definitely see you in my next video. I love you guys so much. Bye for now.